Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Today's topic is grammar. So before going into the topic, let's understand what grammar is, why and why it is useful. So grammar serves as a connector to help you and improve your ability to express your ideas and mention and tell a story or any idea clearly, right? So grammar itself is a very big topic, and it constitutes of lot of topics in within it, that contains noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, conjunctions, prepositions, exclamations, punctuations. There are a lot of things that you need to learn in grammar so that you are able to express any idea very clearly. So let's start with it. All right. So first topic in grammar is noun, right? So we'll discuss about noun today. Okay. So what is a noun? A noun is the name, is a is an when you talk about some name, place, thing, or an animal, right? A noun has two types. One is a common noun and another is a proper noun. So when you're talking about some general name, place, thing, or an animal, it is called a common noun. When you talk about anything specific, right, it is called proper noun. So noun has two types. One is common, another one is proper, right? So let's let's try to understand it in a table. So you have a name, place, thing, animal, right? And you want to know what if that is a common noun or a proper noun, right? So let's draw a table here, right? So let's say you want to talk about some common name, someone as a common noun, someone as doctor. A name of that person is, let's say, Pattu, correct? Now you have a place. That person lives in a city, right? Paris. It's a beautiful city. Let's take Paris as an example. Now think the person always has a, let's say, bicycle, and that bicycle brand is Toyo. Okay, Toyo brand. That's a good brand. And now, yeah, that doctor or any person that there is an animal, let's say a dog, and the breed of that dog is golden retriever. All right. So now you understand how do you classify a common and a proper noun. So you have name, place, thing, or animal. You are if you are talking about something in general, a profession or somebody like that, you tell the you mention that as a common noun, doctor, city, cycle, dog, something like that. And if you are talking about something specific like a name of those common noun, then let's say Pattu, Paris, Toyo, and golden retriever. These are all proper nouns. Now let's try to understand with an exercise. So I will create a sentence, write a sentence for you, and you try to find out a common noun and a proper noun from that. All right. So let's start the sentence. Pattu is a doctor by profession. He lives in Paris, which is a beautiful city. Pattu works for sick kids organization. He loves dogs and has a golden retriever. He is, or we can say, Pattu is health enthusiast, and he rides right. It's a long sentence, right? Or paragraph, bunch of sentences. Now try to find out the common noun and the proper noun in this. Pause the video. Try to find out. These are all the examples that we studied in this lecture. For to give you a hint, I will underline the uh, uh, examples that appeared in the sentences so that you can identify a common and a proper noun, right? So, Pattu, doctor, Paris, city, two sick kids, dog, golden retriever, two, ऐसे right? One important thing to notice about here is wherever you see a proper noun, it starts with a capital letter. So just to give you a hint, another hint, any proper noun starts with a capital letter. So try to find out the common noun and proper noun in this. Do this exercise, and we will discuss about further topics in grammar in the next lecture. Thank you.